Back again with another case video for the 14 Pro Max. So let's check it out. What's up guys, welcome back to Mike's Tech Talk. So back again with cases from the guys over at Nomad. Big thanks to Nomad for sending these to me for review. Massively appreciate you supporting the channel guys. And these are the sport cases for the 14 Pro Max. And I'll be honest, I like the look of these. These look sleek and premium. So let's check these out. So we have marine blue. This is what this one is. And we have lunar grey, which matches my lunar grey watch strap. Lovely. And there we go. Great packaging from Nomad. It's all cardboard and recyclable materials, which is awesome. No plastic. So here we are. So the first impressions now on the inside of these cases. This literally is like a suede type material, which I absolutely love. And we have this lovely blue color, and then we have our these buttons are metal as well, which are quite nice, and they're color coded to the back, which I think is a nice touch. We've got our Nomad logo there. It's a relatively rigid case, and the bumpers are pretty rigid. You've obviously got the softness there around the buttons and a little bit at the bottom there as well, but overall it's a pretty rigid case and I quite like it. It's very minimalistic. However, that shiny finish is going to be an absolute fingerprint magnet, and if I'm going to be honest, that's going to scuff up pretty bad. So before we try them out for fitment, let's weigh them and see what they weigh. 39 grams. 40 grams. Ooh, lunar grey is heavier. We'll go for the grey first. That's a good fit. You've got a good, decent lip up over the display, which isn't bad. So it's going to protect it if it goes down flat, which is great. And camera bump is pretty low key, but it does protect the lenses. The lenses don't protrude out from it, but it's not as big as some of the camera bumps I've seen in other cases. So it is low key, but it is nice, and I do like that color, the lunar grey, and then you've got the silver buttons there as well. It's nice. I do know for a fact that's going to scratch up pretty bad. Pretty bad. Here's the blue. The blue is nice. I do like the blue. Good clicky buttons. I do like those metal buttons. That's a nice touch. I wish more case makers did that, to be fair. I know it would obviously cost more to make and things like that there, but I don't think that's really a problem for Nomad. Nomad's a pretty premium brand. This matte finish on the bumper at the side, you know, doesn't make it slippy, whereas the back would be very slippy because it's glossy, but that sort of matte finish does make it grippy at the side, so it's not the worst case for grip. Now I will be honest on that, which is pretty nice. It's not going to slip out of your hand. Oh yeah, I like that. Let's do a Magsafe Test. So if you haven't watched any of my case videos, or you're not sure what a Magsafe Test is, it's me basically testing to see the strength of the magnets in this case. So what that consists of is I have this stand here which weighs about 200 grams. So my test consists of if the phone can lift that stand up without dropping it, well and good. And if the stand can hold the phone's weight by turning it upside down, not bad. So let's check now. Oh, look at it slipping! Look at it slipping! That shiny surface, man. Oh well. So the phone's holding the stand. Give it a bit of a shake. Not the worst magnets, to be honest. And it can hold its own weight. And if I give it a jolt, yeah. It's not the worst magnets. Now, they're definitely not the strongest magnets, but they're definitely not the worst. So that's the blue. And just for completeness, we'll do the grey as well. Yep, decent enough. Have to give it a good jolt for it to drop the phone, and yeah, look at that. That's great. That's decent. they're not the best magnets in a case by all means, but they're not bad by any way, shape or form. So what do you guys think? What do you think is the best color? I like them both, to be fair, but the lunar gray I think matches my watch, so that's not too bad. What do you guys think? So what I'll do, guys, I'll leave you the price for these cases is up here. And as always, I will leave you an affiliate link down below. Affiliate links don't cost you guys anymore, but they do help support the channel. So if you do pick one of these up using one of my affiliate links, thanks for your support. Appreciate it. So that about wraps it up for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this. I really like the feel of this case. Keep it locked to the channel because there's going to be more case videos coming for the 14 Pro Max. So keep it locked for that. And until the next one, guys, I'll catch you later.